Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on VIVO Y200. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. And now you can click start, and here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.